What's up, greens and cornbread family? We are back with another video, and today I am going to be making John Wayne casserole. I know a lot of you might not know what it is. I didn't even know that's what it was called, but that's what it's going to be called today. So right here, I'm seasoning up my water with some pollo chicken seasoning and a little salt and a little pepper, and I'm going to be using these egg noodles. Y'all, definitely get into these egg noodles. These noodles is a hit. I'm telling you, like, they're the best noodles. Like, my grandmama used to make them when she used to make chicken and noodles and chicken and rice or whatever. Like, these were her go-to noodles. Like, these is the old school good noodles, okay? Okay, y'all, so right here we are going to get some ground beef and beef. wonderful this has turned out. Oh my God. This was so freaking delicious. You have to try this recipe at home. I will list it down below in the description box. Also, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And make sure you click on subscribe. We post Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12 p.m. Y'all do not want to keep on missing these cooking videos because I am giving out free game when it comes to this food, and it's so good. You will not be disappointed once you eat it at home. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait for you guys to see the next ones.